There's Ace. Last time playing in the cage here. Loves to hang on things. Okay, here comes Blue. He has to get in the picture too. Hi, Blue. Yeah, I see you. Okay, now comes Willow. Trying, okay, there's, yeah. Here comes Willow. These two are little hams. They have to be in the shot. Hi, Willow. Hi. You can hear. Hi, Will. Hi, Blue. And little Ace back there playing. That's Ace giving kisses. That's Ace. Oh, look at these two. Oh my gosh, you're so funny. You're crazy birdies. Okay, guys, we're going to go on a little trip. All right.